And we are delighted to be able to end the evening with a final induction to the TCT Hall of Fame for 2025. To announce our fourth inductee of the evening, please welcome back to the stage, well, at this stage, you'd be amazed if it was anyone other than Duncan Wood.
Our final, but no less deserving inductee is an unassuming titan of our industry. Our inductee spent 20 years in academia at Loughborough and Sheffield, generating intellectual property that has been licensed across the world. His High Speed Sintering patents, first filed in 2003, have generated over $1 billion in revenues to licensees, with thousands of industrial-grade machines sold globally. He left academia in 2016 to join Xaar plc as Director of 3D Printing, where he formed a joint venture with Stratasys called Xaar 3D. In 2021, that was fully acquired by Stratasys, where he now serves as Vice President for Additive Manufacturing Technology. I'm proud to say he's a Brit, and so becomes only the third from these shores to be inducted into the TCT Hall of Fame. Please welcome our final inductee of 2025, Professor Neil Hopkinson.
Right, representing Britain. Thank you very much, Duncan. Mark, earlier this evening, you set up like a competition for people to ingratiate and become your friend. I guess not having a partner with you at the evening was part of that, and actually my wife Tracy and daughter Alice are not here tonight because it's a school night. And no way is Alice going to stay out beyond her bedtime. So thank you very much to those two, and hopefully Alice is in bed and ready for the school bus tomorrow in time. So thank you very much, Duncan and TCT team. I went to my first TCT back in 1996. Wow, it's come on a lot since that time. And fortunately for me, so has my career. So that's I was a PhD student at that point, and things have certainly moved on since that time. Thank you especially also to the very erudite panel, the people who decide who are the winners of these awards, obviously very intelligent people. I used to be part of that crowd, and the job that you do is actually thankless at times, so I really want to make a point. I know there's a bunch of you out there, so rather than stand up, please just, if you're one of the people on the panel or you otherwise volunteer for TCT, please wave your hands in the air, and everyone else, can you give them a round of applause, please? So, other people to thank. I've got a few big names to drop here, okay? Some other Hall of Famers. Phil Dickens, first one, gave me my break, got me the chance to do a PhD. He dragged me out of the mire of a career in football coaching, and I saw the light of rapid prototyping. He was the one who actually had the vision to say, we can use this for manufacturing. Like many people back in the 90s, when we looked at the idea of 3D printers as they were then and thinking you could manufacture with them, I was pretty skeptical. Since that time, you know, things have turned around a huge amount, and really Phil was the one who had the main vision. My PhD was sponsored by 3D Systems, my industrial supervisor. Another name drop coming in here was Chuck Hull. Chuck gave me a huge amount of confidence. He painted a picture for my future, which I frankly didn't believe. But I've almost fulfilled what I think Chuck had in mind for me, so I'm very grateful for Chuck really with providing me with a lot of confidence about my future. Final Hall of Famer, another big name to drop. He's in the room tonight, and let's give him a round of applause, shall we? He's a guy who told me many times he believed in the technology I was developing. Time and time again, it got knockback after knockback after knockback. And he gave me 3 pieces of advice. You've got to keep on going. You've got to keep on going. You've got to keep on going. That man was Scott Crump. Thank you, Scott. So with that, thank you very much, everyone. I think I'm the last person before the bar. I think, Dave, if you'd be kind enough to grab my trophy for me as I'm struggling a little bit physically. But thank you very much. Have a great evening. Thank you.